Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. Amid the flurry of Toyota and Lexus EV news, we are getting the first look at the undisguised exterior of the Lexus RZ 450e. It's part of the brand's big, upcoming push into the electric segment. In front, the RZ 450e boasts a new take on the Lexus spindle grille. Rather than being fully open, there is an inlet in the lower section and vertical openings on each side. There are sharp-edged headlights on each side. The hood is heavily creased, which adds to the nose's angular look. The roof is heavily arched and has a floating design. The front wheel wells have cladding around them, and the charging port is between the fender and the door. The rear has a pair of tiny spoilers on each side of the roof. The rear glass is steeply angled, and there are full-width taillights on the hatch. Angled outlets on the bumper evoke the inlets in the front corners. The RZ 450e shares underpinnings with the Toyota bZ4X and Subaru Solterra. While the footprint appears to be similar, the Lexus has different styling like a sharper nose. The powertrain for the RZ 450e is still a mystery. Both the bZ4X and Solterra are available with a total of 215 horsepower, 160 kilowatts, from an electric motor powering each axle. Toyota doesn't have a range estimate for the all-wheel drive bZ4X, but the Solterra can go an estimated 220 miles, 354 kilometers, with its 71.4 kilowatt-hour battery. There are still no images of the RZ 450e's interior. The Toyota and Subaru models on this platform share the same layout for the center stack. They have a large infotainment screen with a separate digital display for the HVAC system below it. The console has a rotary dial and buttons for controlling various drivetrain functions. Given its premium positioning, we would expect the Lexus to have a different interior with nicer materials and improved tech. Look for the RZ 450e to make a full debut in 2022.